What's going on, everybody? Yes, I don't have a shirt on again. I'm about to jump in the pool, but I was just scrolling through TikTok and seen a guy said he broke a world record for removing a 200 and something $1,000 charge off. So y'all check this out. It's pretty impressive.
If you have charge-offs or collections, you gotta check this out. I just set another world record. So this is the client's credit report, April 17, 2023. They have a really good score, 720s, 730s. And the only thing that's holding over them, the major thing, is this $213,000 charge off. That was a joint account, and it had been paid for, and it was still affecting their score. But May 30th, less than 30 days later, it is gone off Experian, and now we're working on the other credit bureaus.
So as you can see, it was a pretty big amount for a charge off. And I was even impressed myself, and then got to thinking, I believe I've seen somebody do better than that. So let's check that video out real quick. What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. So just wanted to give an update on a client that I switched over to the 90-day program. This is 30 days in. He had 9 items deleted from Equifax. His score went up 185 points. And as you can see, as far as the deletions go, Bank of America, $387,450 deleted. Anyways, I hope y'all have a great weekend. I'm about to jump in the pool. It is hot as crap in Georgia. Hope y'all have a great weekend and stay safe on the 4th of July.